Oh shit, sorry guys, I forgot you was in there. What's happening everybody? I don't want to do this like most YouTubers are like, oh man, hello, my name's Malcolm, hi. Nah, I'm not into that kind of stuff. You have to type me as I am, because I'm not going to be like, oh hello, because I think it's really cringy when I watch it myself, so I'm not going to be like that. I'm just going to be me, which is all I try and do. What I want to do today, I've got loads of house crap to get on with, so I thought might as well show you what's going on, because some people have actually been interested. Obviously most of you follow me for the car stuff and that, so I thought what I'll do is I'll just show you bits and bobs that I'm actually doing, so let's get to it. Basically, let's show you the actual madness that's going on. Obviously, I'm living in this crap at the moment. Well, me and my girlfriend are, so we're struggling, but we're getting there because we're seeing progress day by day, week by week. So let's just show you actually what is actually going on in the house so you can see. So, let's go from the beginning. So, obviously, walk in. Obviously, like, that shouldn't be as holy as that. So walk in, this doorway is getting boarded up so we can get the sofa in nice and good. So this is all going to be boarded up, which I've got to do, just put plasterboard and board it up. So we're going to use this as our doorway into the kitchen, living room, lounge. So come in, and this is what we're working with at the moment. Just a mess, slowly getting there, but I don't see the point cleaning up until all the mess has been done. So that wall's got to be took down soon, so I don't want to clean that up and get it all clean when that's going to make it all dusty again. So blocking that up at the moment. This is pretty much get all the crap out and we're good to plaster, so hopefully we'll get this plastered soon. 1 second. So we've got fridge, cooker not connected, washing machine not connected because gas is there and the washing machine goes out there, so we actually haven't got any of these usable, so we're having to go out for food and stuff. As you can see, the wall's gone down now, and then we've got the lovely steel in, so steel, pucker looking good, and then we've got the acros holding up the house while the steel sets in place, and then we can take those down. My actual quality brickwork is actually done me good. I'm no bricklayer by any means, but bricks, loads of compo, job done. So we had to try and make it look flat as possible, because otherwise the plasterboard would be coming out in all angles, but I don't think that looks too bad, to be honest, so all good there. What I'll do now is I'll move this door so I can show you the other side, so let's get to it. Yes everybody, here's to the next day. When I was videoing that, people turned up at the house, and obviously my family and that, so I haven't really introduced them into what I'm doing, so I was a bit embarrassed. I know I shouldn't be embarrassed, but I'm still getting used to the idea of videoing and YouTubing and stuff. So this is where we're at now. So I'm going to turn around and this is where we go in. So now the wall is out and it is looking really big. Obviously we've still got a little step there, that's got to be took out. But it is definitely getting there, man. And then the roof is on. The roof is on. So we had a little chip out there, we filled that in, and the toilet pipe was basically running straight down there, which would have meant that it'd have been out here, so we've had to redirect that and then like seal it in. Some little bugger has stood on it, naughty, but yeah, we are getting there. Obviously the garage is coming to the end of that wall, the end of the knee, then wall across, and then this will be my little work area. Yeah, this is us. this is where we're at the moment. So for those of you that actually wanted to see what's happening in my life at the minute, this is where I'm at really. So when you like what you're doing, I'm just trying to do bits and bobs that I can on this house. So please bear with me, because obviously when this gets to a proper level, then the car out there can carry on. So I just wanted to show you what's going on. Would you like to see more in-depth things on like when I actually have to tackle an issue or something like that and actually do a video on it and stuff? Or would you want to just see a brief overview of what's actually going on? So that's all for this little video, just to show you how the house is looking. And bear in mind, I am actually living in this. So the other day there was actually no roof on the garage, so it was freezing. The only thing we could do was close that door and put the heating on because it was freezing. So that's all for this video. Hope you like, enjoy, love it. See you later.